Hello everyone. I will show you how to convert fraction to decimal by doing division. Okay, so we have a couple of fractions that I list below. We're gonna do one at a time. So let's start with 3/8. Okay, so we're gonna divide. We're gonna put it in the bracket. Top number go inside, bottom number go outside. So 3 divide 8. Okay, so 3, you know that 3 cannot divide 8, right? So I put down 0. Then I want to borrow another 0 so I can divide. So if I borrow 0, I need to return a decimal point. So now you know 30 divided by 8. How many times that 8 go into 30? 2 times 8, 16, 3 times 8, 24, 4 times 8, 32. So it's gonna be just 3. 3 times 8, 24. 30 subtract to 24, you got 6. You will borrow another 0, so you can continue to divide. So 60 divided by 8. How many times that 8 go into 60? 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8, 64, so 7. So 7 times 8, 56, we're going to subtract. 60 minus 56, you got 4. So you borrow another 0. 40 divided by 8, 5 times 8, 40. 40 minus 40, 0. So 3/8 equivalent to decimal 0.375. Okay? I'm gonna do 1/6 right now. So 1/6, I'm gonna set up the same way. Top, bottom, inside the bracket. The denominator, the bottom number, go outside the bracket. Okay, so you know 1 cannot divide by 6, 0. We borrow 0, so we can divide. If we borrow 0, we return a decimal. 10 divided 6, 1 times 6 is 6. So 2 times 6, 12, so 1 is good. 1 times 6, you got 6. You minus 6, you got 4. You borrow a 0, so you can continue to divide. 40 divided by 6, you got how much? 6, right? Because 7 times 6 is 42. So 6 times 6, 36. Keep subtracting them. And you minus, 40 minus 6, you got a 4. And again, you borrow 0. 40 divided by 6, you got another 6. 6 times 6, 36. So we're gonna have a repeating decimal, 6. So 1/6 equivalent to 0.166, and keep repeating the 6. All right, I'm gonna do the last one, 7/8. Ready? Okay, so 7/8, numerator go inside the bracket, denominator go outside. So top in, bottom out. Top in, bottom out. So 7, you cannot divide 8, 0. You're gonna borrow a 0, so you can start to divide. Now you have 70 divided by 8. When you borrow the 0, you need to return a decimal. So 70 divided by 8, how many times that 8 go into 70? 8 times 6, 48, 8 times 8, 64, but 8 times 9 is 72, so it's an 8. 8 times 8, 64, 70, subtract to 64, give me a 6. You borrow 0, continue to divide. 60 divided by 8. So how many times that 8 go into 60? 8 times 8, 64. So just 7, because 7 times 8, 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. You borrow 0. 40 divided by 8, 5 times. So 5 times 8, 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So 7 over 8 equivalent with 0.875. That's good. So you just learned how to convert a fraction to a decimal by doing division.